Thanks for the support. Before me get any further, I want to drop a like, comment down below. Team CC all day, every day, period. So basically, I do one prank on Nathan, and I never get to do the intro same time. I just get the chance to do it now, guys. You see me? When you don't mind the part them when me that walk out type, I did have to make it look real. For catch boy reaction, you know what I mean, and such. So you don't mind the part when me I walk out type, guys. And I want to comment which part of the video on love. So I know say you know I watch out the video. So I comment which part of the video on love. Watch the ads them. Subscribe and watch the ads them also over there, guys. So please, because I don't know, say Team CC is coming harder and harder every day, period. Remember, you know, smash the like button, comment down below, and tell a friend to tell another friend about life with CC and Nathan. Yeah, big up on yourself. And I want to give a big shout out to Nathan's sister, guys. I want to go over to our channel, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you know say as CC and Nathan send on the link for our channel. I go down in the description, and it's Nesta. So I want to go over there, show her some love and support. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. She has been supporting me right through with a prank, guys. So I want to go over there and show her some support. She has support me right through with a prank. Some want to go over there, like, share, comment, and subscribe. You're not going to start just some hot bangers, so just go and watch her go on. Just go over the subscribe if you know say we son on my love. Yeah, guys, remember like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, comment down below. You see me? Yeah. Turn on the post notification bell and put it on all. The camera could set the better, guys, so we just don't mind all the camera set, guys. You see me? Now go on, I'm going to get my credit about this. Watching a girl.
2,000 years later.
Come in here, no man. Come in here. My feel like come in here. side road. Stop. You know understand? Stop. Man, stop once up on the road in the car. Stop. Stop, get it? Come up, bro. Tanisha. Yeah, go pick yourself up. Oi! Stop. Don't go in there, yard. Don't go in. Stop, no man. I'm still the same, man.
What's wrong with you?
You want to do that? Hey, oi.
I'm gonna put down my weed now.
What's down with you? Go take a go in there, yard. Don't go in there, yard, listen. Who you look like, man? Straight, man. Aye. Lefty. Never. Back up, Kalisha. Come in here, you look like mad smarty. You don't know where I do. Mama close that deal. Come in here, the pretty man. Come in, Kalisha look like mad smarty, so I see one. You know, see it? Tanisha, you're busted freaking leg, watch. Move in here. Doctor. yourself, no, man. Be yourself. Stop. Stop. Stop, no, man. Don't go back on this. What is it? You left? Come on, man. You're free. Don't go back on this. What is it? You left? Come on, man.